Yo, what's up ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Albion. Here I'm gonna show you how I create this hologram in DaVinci Resolve. So here on this workspace guys, I have two different clips. Okay, so first clip, it is the normal one which I have been shooted. Okay, and then it's like someone who is scrolling something, okay, on hologram. And then this is my second clip. Okay, so I record by using the phone. Okay, so guys, about the timing, I was just first I shoot this real clip, and then the second one I shoot this screen recording by using this first, the main clip. Okay, so it was guiding me how I can scroll, okay, something like that. Okay, so now you see how it is, the timing, it is well. So now each clip is going with other, there is no pop. So now the things I'm going to do, and I'm going to change this screen recording into hologram. So first I have to duplicate this clip, this main clip. Okay, so by holding it, and then you have to move it up. So and let me try to disable. Okay, and then I'm going to select those two clips, okay, the screen recording and this main clip. So right click on it and then go here on this new fusion clip. Okay, so and I'm going to jump on fusion workspace. So let me come here for this workspace and then open up this fusion. Okay, so guys, now as you see here, I have media in 1 and then media in 2. Okay, so for this first one, it is for the camera, so for this main clip, and then this one is for the second, for this screen recording. So the things I'm going to do, I have to come up here for this second media line, okay, for this screen recording, and then click Ctrl plus space bar and then search the effect called DVI. Okay, and then click here on this DVI, press on add. So and you see I'm getting DVI nodes. Okay, so and I'm going to use this rotation X, Y, and Z. Now you see how I'm trying to rotate my screen. Okay, let me try to zoom out something like this, put in the front or back, something like this guys. Okay, and also I'm going to add another effect which is called transform. Ctrl plus space, come here for this media into Ctrl plus space bar and then search transform. It is this one. Okay, and then click here on add. Okay, so for this transform is going to help me also to how to set, how to set these things like this. Yeah, looks like this guys. Okay, now this is much better. You see how it is. Yeah, this is cool. Yeah, I'm trying to set it well good as possible guys. Yeah, this is nice one. Okay, and then come here for this merge. Okay, and then you have to change this mode into lighten, yeah, something like this. Now you see how this screen recording it is looking. So, okay, yeah, this is much better. Now you see how it is. This is nice.